going to show you 10 incredible and unforgettable places for you to visit in Argentina by motorhome. It was really hard to choose just 10, so check it out. It's awesome. Hello travelers, welcome to RV South America, the channel where we explore the wonders of South America aboard motorhomes. I'm André, and today I'm taking you on an incredible journey through Argentina. In this video, we'll discover the 10 most unforgettable places to explore by motorhome in Argentina. Traveling by motorhome isn't just a mode of transport. It's a way to experience each destination with the freedom and flexibility that only this travel style offers. Argentina, with its vastness and diversity of landscapes, is a country tailor-made for motorhome travel. From the icy mountains of Patagonia to the sunny vineyards of Mendoza, every corner of this country holds a different surprise. With well-developed tourist infrastructure, a rich and welcoming culture, and a variety of experiences ranging from the extreme south to the colorful north, Argentina is the perfect destination for those seeking adventure and contact with nature. Patagonia Glacier. The vast Patagonia is known for its breathtaking landscapes. From towering mountains to stunning glaciers, every view is a natural spectacle. Don't miss hikes like the Fitzroy, a challenging trek with incredible visual rewards. Also, visit the Perito Moreno Glacier for a unique experience of walking on ice. Ruta de los Seven Lakes. This is one of the most beautiful routes in Argentina, connecting San Martín de los Andes to Villa la Angostura. The road offers spectacular views of crystal-clear lakes surrounded by green mountains. In San Martín de los Andes, take a boat trip on Lake Lacar. In Villa la Angostura, explore Nahuelhuapi National Park and enjoy the tranquility of Lake Espejo. City, Ushuaia is the southernmost city on the planet, offering unique landscapes and adventures. Stunning hikes like Laguna Esmeralda, boat trips through the Beagle Channel to see penguins and sea lions, and a visit to the End of the World Museum to learn about local history. Peninsula Valdez. One of the best places to see whales, penguins, and sea lions, a true natural sanctuary of biodiversity. The best time to see whales is from June to December. Penguins can be seen from September to April, offering a first-hand spectacle of nature. Mendoza region. Mendoza is the heart of Argentina's wine production, famous for its Malbec, offering a unique enogastronomic experience. In addition to the vineyards, the view of the Andes is stunning. Visit renowned wineries like Catina Zapata and Bodega Salentín for tours and tastings that will enrich your palate and knowledge of wines. Bariloche region. Perfect in both winter and summer. In winter, enjoy skiing at Cerro Catedral. In summer, go hiking and take boat trips on the region's lakes. Skiing on the mountains, hiking on trails like Cerro Tronador, and don't miss tasting the famous artisanal chocolates of Bariloche, which are a real treat. Quebrada do Mauaca. Rock formations, a valley with colorful mountains, an unmissable natural spectacle. The painter's palette is one of the most famous views, with its layers of multicolored rocks. Rich indigenous culture and unique local traditions. Visit the small villages along the gorge, such as Purmamarca and Tilcara, and enjoy the local markets to learn more about regional art and gastronomy. Salta region.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this.
Architecture. Salta has preserved colonial architecture and a vibrant cultural scene. Don't miss the imposing Salta Cathedral and the High Mountain Archaeology Museum, which houses well-preserved Inca mummies.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against
Wines. Discover the wines of the region, especially those produced at high altitudes in the Calchaquí valleys, where the arid climate and extreme altitudes create unique conditions for winemaking.
I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Diversity. Varied landscapes with mountains, valleys, and many cultural events. The Cordoba Sierras are ideal for outdoor activities such as trekking and mountain biking. Tips: explore the mountains, visit the Jesuit estancias, a UNESCO heritage site, and participate in local music and dance festivals, which are a vibrant celebration of Argentine culture.
And make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away.
Route to
I can
Fort.
play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Route 40 is one of the most iconic and extensive roads in Argentina, crossing the country from north to south and passing through some of the most stunning landscapes you can imagine. Driving along Route 40 is an adventure in itself, but make sure to stop and explore places like Quebrada de Humahuaca in the north, the majestic Patagonia in the south, and of course the vineyards of Mendoza along the way. Each segment of this route offers a new discovery.
I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
These were the 10 unforgettable places to visit by Motorhome in Argentina, each offering unique and unforgettable experiences. Traveling by Motorhome is a unique way to connect with nature, culture, and the people of each place. In Argentina, this experience becomes even more magical due to the diversity and beauty of the destinations. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope you enjoyed the video and feel inspired to explore Argentina by Motorhome. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who also love to travel. Leave a comment with which of these places you'd like to visit, or if you have other suggestions for must-see destinations. Stay tuned for more incredible adventures on our channel. Until the next trip, folks.